Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to snooze a pinned conversation for 8 hours on the X app. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by constant notifications, or you simply want some quiet time, this feature is a lifesaver. Let's get started step by step. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access your messages. Once you're inside, look down at the bottom of your screen and tap on the message icon. This will take you straight into your list of conversations, including the ones you've pinned. Next, scroll to the pinned chat that you'd like to silence for a while. Once you find it, press and hold on that chat. After holding it for just a moment, a menu of options will appear on your screen. From that menu, look for the option that says Snooze Notifications and tap on it. This is where you'll be able to choose exactly how long you'd like to mute that conversation. For this tutorial, we're going to select 8 hours. Once you tap on the 8-hour option, your decision is instantly saved. And that's it. You've now successfully snoozed a pinned conversation for 8 hours. During that time, you won't be interrupted by notifications from that particular chat. But don't worry. You won't miss any messages. Everything will still be right there waiting for you when you're ready to check back in. This feature can be especially helpful if you're in work mode, studying, or just taking a well-deserved break. Rather than unpinning or muting indefinitely, the snooze option gives you control over when those notifications return. It's a simple way to reduce distractions without cutting off the conversation completely. So now you know exactly how to make use of the snooze feature on the X app. Fast, easy, and effective. Give it a try the next time you need some peace and quiet for a few hours. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep an eye out for more quick tips like this one. Thanks for watching.